Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to purchase a 100 GB OneDrive storage plan. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to expand your cloud storage easily and securely, making sure you never run out of space for your important photos, documents, or anything else you need to keep safe online. Let's dive in. First, open up your web browser and head over to the OneDrive website. Make sure you're logging in with the Microsoft account you want to upgrade. This is important because your storage plan is tied to your specific Microsoft account, so if you use the wrong one, the extra space won't show up where you need it. If you're already logged in, great, you're one step ahead. If not, take a moment to enter your email and password. Don't worry if you need to reset your password, it happens to all of us. Once you're in your OneDrive, look around the homepage. What you're looking for is an option that says either buy storage or get more storage. This is usually found in the left-hand sidebar or sometimes tucked under your account settings in the top right corner. Think of it like looking for the upgrade button on any app. It might take a moment to find, but don't rush. It's there to help you make the most of your storage. Clicking on Buy Storage or Get More Storage will bring up a list of the different plans available. Here, where you'll see options for various amounts of data, take a look at what's offered, but for today we're focusing on that 100 GB plan. It's often labeled as the basic plan, and it's perfect if you just need a bit more space without committing to a full Microsoft 365 subscription. Go ahead and click on the 100 GB or basic plan to select it. Now you'll be prompted to proceed to the purchase phase. This process is pretty straightforward, but I want to break it down so you feel confident at every step. The first thing you might notice is a request to add a payment method, unless you already have one saved. If you've never bought anything from Microsoft before, you'll need to enter your credit or debit card details or possibly another payment method like PayPal, depending on what's available in your region. If you already have a payment method attached to your account, you can select it to save time. If, like me, you don't have one attached, this step might take a few moments. Just fill in the required information and double-check for typos before moving forward. After you've entered your payment information, you'll need to confirm the purchase. Take a moment here to review the details, how much you're being charged, the renewal terms. 100 GB OneDrive is often renewed monthly or yearly, and make sure your account is correct. When everything looks good, hit the button to complete payment. Once your payment goes through, Microsoft will instantly activate your extra storage. You'll usually see a confirmation message right away, and if you check your OneDrive storage meter, it should reflect your new total space within a few moments. If you don't see it update right away, don't panic. Sometimes it can take a minute or two for the system to refresh. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased a 100 GB OneDrive storage plan. It's a simple process, but understanding each step and why it matters really helps you feel secure with your purchase and your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you had any trouble along the way or if you have other questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your extra OneDrive space.